So we're going to be looking at stem and leaf diagrams. We're looking at averages, but here we're not talking about mean. We're actually going to be looking at the median and the range because that's the information and the way it's laid out. So we're going to compare the distributions of the heights of the girls and the heights of the boys. So we need a few things to compare. So let's have a look at the things that we can compare. We can compare the range. So that's the difference between the highest and the lowest. If we look here, the range of the girls is going to be 20 centimeters, whereas for the boys, the biggest number is 182 because it tells you here 158 means 158. So we're going to have 182 minus 158, which gives us 24 centimeters. Okay, so that's telling us how spread out the information is. And then we're going to have a look at the median. So if we have a look, for the girls, the median is given as 165. For the boys, we're going to have to figure it out. So we're looking for the middle number. I'm crossing a number out from each end until I get to the middle, which is here. So my median for the boys is 168 centimeters. So now I can write my blurb if you like. I can say the median for the boys is 168 centimeters compared to 165 centimeters for the girls. This tells you what? So this is telling me the boys are taller overall. And then I compare the range. The range for the boys is 24 centimeters compared to 20 centimeters. Now the range tells you all about how spread out the data is. So we'll say the boys' heights are more spread out. So generally, when you have a question like this, you're either going to be given the mean and the standard deviation. So the mean is going to tell you generally what happens and the standard deviation talks about the spread. Or like this question, you've got median and range. So the median tells you the average or generally what's happening, and the range is going to talk about the spread.